So wonderful, good afternoon, wonderful Sunday afternoon to everybody. This is Mazezoke. Mazezoke has come to us with a very excellent and exciting tiding. Today, I got the news that gladdened my heart that Odinaka Chuku, one of those guys that was caught, that were caught in Cambodia on the allegation of drug peddling. 3 days ago or thereabout, I brought to us a very sad news that really hurt me so much on Thursday. But today, I just had, it was yesterday, so I delayed doing the video yesterday being Saturday in order to confirm. And eventually, I've done that. That's why I've just basically doing this video now. It's going to be a very short one. The reason why I want to say this to us is, in Igbo we say, that means when you start your journey and you tell the king, on your way back, go and visit the king and tell him, because I brought that news to us, and now I'm bringing an update and the good tidings that Odinaka Chuku is being freed. Somehow they found out, this is Odinaka Chuku, by the way. You can see the picture here. That's him here. So somehow it appears they found out he's not amongst, the perpetrators or the people doing that illicit business. So, and it means a lot to me. Honestly, it means that, prayers works. There is nothing like keeping your hands straightened up. And I believe some of you that have actually prayed without knowing them, like myself, I do not know any of them. I'm not related to them, but it hurts me as a father to see that someone basically left the country and eventually is going to not, probably his parents wouldn't see him no more. So, hence I made that video. And any of you that spared a moment to, in any way, shape, in a traditional method, in the Christendom method, it doesn't matter. All we know is there is probably a higher being that superimposes its decision or affects what we do. And in this case, my heart is so glad, and honestly, I wish I can show you guys my heart, how happy I am that at least Odinaka Chuku is now free. Okay, so the next bit is, I do not know what to say. I do not know what to do. But I can only, again, like I did say the first time, let the will of God be done. His name, Afonye, Kana Sikwana na Afonye na Eduonye. Odinaka Chuku. Odinaka Chuku. Do you know what that means? Odinaka Chuku, it is in the hands of God. His destiny is in the hands of God. Odinaka Chuku, if you ever have time to watch this video, what it means, people interceded on your behalf. And I thank God that you've been given a second chance. Do not, Odinaka Chuku, if you ever come across this video, take that as an advice. Do not engage. You've been warned. Do not engage. If you ever get involved, others might do it and get scot-free. But somehow, in our hearts, the comment section of my previous video, the more I read the comments, the more I kind of felt, some people felt some people actually saw my heart, and I kind of cried out for people I didn't know, but just because I felt something isn't right somewhere. And thank God you've been given a second chance. Odinaka Chuku ndoge, Dinaka Chuku. Ekwena ka ede ka ihe akọrọ gị. Biko, ekwena ka ede ka ihe akọrọ gị. Kwụba aka gị ọtọ Odinaka Chuku, ọ ga-adịrị gị mma. This is Mazezoke. Once more, for everyone that's commented, you can share the video and let this video get to him. I am so happy. If he wants to get involved and share his experience, I can avail him the platform to do that. I can get him online and, and I can have that conversation. Okay? So thank you, all of you once more that were have prayed for him, and thank God for basically making him come free. This is Mazes, okay? Once more, remain blessed and have a wonderful Sunday.